Hi guys, I'm Fiona from China working in the EPS machine industry. In this video, I will show you our PE film wrapping machine being tested in factory with PE film and EPS boards before it's exported. We are using the 0.03 mm thickness PE film. Working speed is about 12 to 15 seconds per package. Packaging height and length is adjustable. Now let me switch into a different angle so you can see a little bit close for the welding knife. We can also test the machine with the customized PE film from our customer. For more information about this PE film wrapping machine, please contact with me by email. If you like our channel, please subscribe. See you next video.